Good morning, students. This is Sain Shah, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Today our topic, Business Taxation. What is VAT? Value Added Tax is known as VAT, is an indirect tax on goods. VAT is imposed only on the amount of value addition. It is multi-point tax levied as a of value addition, where the tax burden can be shifted from one person to another person till the ultimate consumer can consume the goods. Why we need VAT? VAT comes in India in 1986, namely MODVAT, Modified Value Added Tax. In excise, that means it is not a new scheme, it is very old. VAT is not a new concept, it is a part of sales tax. But VAT comes into existence because the sales tax was causing a couple of problems. Then to remove these problems, the VAT, which is a part of sales tax, applied by Central Government of India. Methods to calculate VAT. There are 4 different methods which are used to calculate VAT. First one, single point sales tax on the time of first sale. Second one, single point sales tax on the time of last sale. Third one, multi-point sales tax on the time of sales, every sale. Multi-point VAT on every sale. Nowadays, we are using 4th way to implement VAT tax. Input tax and output tax. Input tax is a tax shown in our purchase bill. Apart from the trade purchases, tax on capital goods, purchases like air conditioner, computers, etc. is also considered for this input tax. Output tax is a tax charged on all the taxable sales of a VAT dealer. For example, tax shown as output tax and it becomes input tax for our customer. Central sales tax. Central sales tax is a tax on sales of goods levied by the Central Government of India. CST is applicable only in this case of interstate sales and not on sales made within the state or import or export of sales. For example, if sale of goods is moved from Mumbai to Bangalore, CST is levied. Features of Central Sales Tax. Central Sales Tax is the tax levied on sale of goods and services. The Central Government of India levied the CST. Central Sales Tax is not applicable to sales that are made within a particular state and it does not apply to the import or export of goods. It applies to interstate trade only. Central Sales Tax is required to be paid in the state where the trade actually takes place. The state that collects the Central Sales Tax on interstate trade will get to retain the same. Central Sales Tax is assessed and collected by the sales tax officer. Dealers must be registered dealers for executing interstate trade transactions, and it is required for them to present their certificate of registration at each and every place of their business. They do not provide any exemption limit. So, students, I hope you understand. Thank you.